Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K. Imsa. This video tutorial is on UGC NTA Net paper first. Most expected multiple choice questions have been discussed here on teaching aptitude. In series, this is part 90. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. Effective teaching involves A. Teacher dominance, B. Pupil dominance, C. Teacher and pupil interview, D. Silence. Correct option is C. Teacher and pupil interview or kind of interaction. 2. Maximum participation of students is possible. A. Through discussion method. B. Lecture method. C. Audio visual aids. D. Textbook method. Correct option is A. Discussion method. 3. During lecture in classroom, some students hesitate to say that they are unable to understand your lecture. What is the reason for this? A. You are unable to communicate effectively. B. Your educational methodology is inadequate. C. The students fear you. D. There is a cordial relation between you and your student. The correct option is A. You are unable to communicate effectively. 4. All of the following statements about the teacher are correct except that he or she is A. A friend, guide and philosopher. B. Teacher that the students don't know. C. The leader in the class. D. Changes his attitudes and behavior according to the need of the society. Correct option is B. Teacher that the students don't know. 5. Micro teaching is most effective for the student teacher. Correct option is B. After the teaching practice. Here the combination is student teacher. 6. Teaching model is a way to A. Teach in a formal as well as informal way. B. Select such stimulus so that the students may give expected feedback. Or C. Talk and think about instruction which may contain facts in organized and classified manner. Correct option is D. That A and B are. 7. Suppose you are asked by your friends to take the membership of the Teachers Association. How could you take decision in this situation? A. You will give priority to social relations, therefore you will accept the offer. B. You will have faith in unity, so you will accept the membership. C. You will de-affiliate yourself from the colleagues instead of entity with the management. Or D. You will try to avoid the issue. Correct option is D. You will try to avoid the issue. A. An effective teaching means all of the following except. Correct option is B. Here a teacher finds fault in his students. 9. To gain popularity among students, teachers should A. Personally help them in their study. B. Frequently organize tours. C. Dictate notes while teaching. D. Maintain good social relationship. Correct option is A. Personally help them in their study. 10. Which one of the following is not a quality of teacher? Correct option is B. Teachers should maintain an autocratic atmosphere in the class. This is not one of the good qualities of it. 11. Which of the following is not true? A. Teaching is an art. B. Teachers can be trained. C. Teachers are born. D. All of the above. So, in fact, the question is which of the following is not true? So, teachers is an art. Teaching is an art. Yes, it's true. Teachers can be trained. It's also true. But teachers are born. This may not be true. So, here correct option is actually C. 12. The main function of educational psychology is to provide prospective teachers with A. Research procedures for evaluating current teaching procedure. B. Insight into the needs, problems, and styles of behavior of teacher. C. Insight into various aspects of modern teaching education. D. How to deal with students and everyday class situation. Correct option is D here. 30. Which of the following is not a quality of a teacher? A. Teacher should be taken in should be keen in his work and should be enthusiastic and anxious to keep his knowledge fresh and updated. B. He should have feelings of love and sympathy. C. His language should be understandable to students. D. He may not know the child psychology. Correct option is D here. 14. You are bringing your people for a government visit outside your city. A father is reluctant to send his child for this. What will you do? A. Leave that child and go with others. B. Try to understand his father's problems. C. Try to convince him for sending his child by explaining the importance of such educational and cultural trip. Or D. None. The correct option is C. Try to convince him for sending his child by explaining the importance of such cultural and educational trips. 15. The primary task of the teacher is A. To teach the prescribed curriculum. B. To prepare students to pass their examination. C. To make them a thinking people or person. D. To modify their behavior according to the needs of our society and correct option is C here. 16. Who define teaching as an organized system of specific activities aimed to help the learner learn something. Correct option C here is Smith. 17. Which of the following statements regarding motivation is correct? A. Free will, intellect and reason are the motivating factors according to Plato. B. Inborn, unlearned tendencies called instincts are motivating forces according to James Bard. C. Curiosity and level of aspiration are motivating factors according to Berlin. D. All. The correct option is D. All. 18. Catharsis means discharge of emotions. A teacher can let off pent up energy of his disciple through A. Picnic or excursions. B. Mock parliament. C. Celebration of festivals. Or D. All. The correct option is D. All. 19. The students who keep asking questions in the class, the correct option is D, should be encouraged to continue question. 20. Which of the following one is most effective for a teacher? A. Knowledge. B. Feedback. C. Management. Or D. Teaching skills. Correct option is D. Teaching skills. 21. If majority of the students in your class are weak, you should, correct option is D, keep your teaching slow along with some extra guidance to the bright pupil. 20. A teacher who is not able to draw the attention of his students should A. Evaluate his teaching method and improve it. B. Resign from the post. C. Find fault in his pupils. They start dictating. Correct option is A. Evaluate his teaching method and improve it. 20. Arrange the following teaching process in order for A1. Relating the present knowledge with the previous knowledge. 2. Evaluation. 3. Reteaching. 4. Formulating objectives. 5th. Presentation of materials. Correct option is D, where 4th, 1st, 5th, 2nd and 3rd in series are correct. 24. Which of the following is the most important single factor in underlying the success of beginning a teacher? A. Scholarship. B. Communicative ability. C. Personality and its ability to relate to the class and to the pupils. D. Organizational ability. Correct option is C. Personality and its ability to relate to the class and to the pupils. 25. The field of education is permeated by conflicts and misconceptions because, correct option is B, problems encountered in teaching are not amenable to rigorous scientific investigation. 26. If some of your pupils misbehave with you in the college campus, you must correct offensively improve their behavior by your own character and scholarship. 27. If backbenchers are always talking in the classroom, a teacher should correct offensively ask them to sit on the front bench. 28. Use of telecast materials. A. Correct offense A enhances concentration and learn. 29. Maximum participation of students is possible in teaching through correct offense B discussion method. 30. An effective teaching means all of the following except correct offense B. A teacher finds fault in his students. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, our classes, and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of